In this video, I will show you how to add a background to a video in Canva. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Go to the left column and select Uploads. Go to your video, upload your video. You then want to select your video and remove the background. Once your background has been removed, you want to go to the left column. 2 down, you'll see Elements. You can then search for the image or video that you would like to use as your background. So I would like to use a rocky background. So I will type rock and search. And I would like photos, so I'm going to refine my search. And I like this photo. So once I have found my photo, I will select it and drag it below my video. So now when I play my video, you will see the rocks behind it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.